Hi everybody, it's Kathy here, and today I'm up on the Paper Funday challenge blog where we work with all things paper, and it is May. Hello May. And the challenge this month was to either do some paperwork with ALtenew, and that's the ones that I've chosen to do, or with a twist where you could celebrate something new. Well, I am, because these stamps are new and they are ALtenew stamps. And I'm using them to go on my layout for my son's medal presentation that he got in 2022 for the National Emergency Medal. That was the recognition for all of the service through the 2021 bushfire season, where he actually fought fires 157 days of that season. So it was quite one of our horrendous seasons, and he actually ended up in hospital with heat exhaustion at one stage, but turned around and went back at it as soon as they would allow him to do so. So I'm using these stamps, which are brand new, as you can see. They're very gummy at the moment, and they're sticking to the paper. And so I'm going to ink them up, and I like my stamp press because I can get them back in the exact same spot again to give that crisp, clean print, and I do it multiple times to make sure that it is nice and dark. And I really do need to get some sort of a brayer or something there to put pressure on to get my stamps working better, but I'll look at that later. I'm then going to colour them in, and I am using alcohol markers or Copic markers depending on the colour that I'm choosing to use. And I really do like colouring in these stamps. Look at them, they're just beautiful, and they were perfect for this layout. I actually, when we got told we were using ALtenew for this month, I went online and I had a look at the stamps to see what was available, because I do like ALtenew, and I found these ones and I knew immediately what photo I was going to use them for. And now that I've got them, that's great, because I have loads of firefighter photos of my son, and I can actually use them on his layouts. Now I am colouring the helmet just in the white. Well, I actually do it as a very, very pale grey because I want it to have a bit of colour, but my son's helmet is white. He works for the RFS. He's a volunteer, and as I said, he was getting his medal for service to the community. As I said, he did 157 fire days volunteer during that very horrendous fire season. It was unbelievable. He was out more than he was home, and he wasn't just in our local area. He was out all over New South Wales and Victoria and Queensland fighting fires in that season. So it was pretty horrendous for all of our firefighters, and he is just an example of what people in our local communities do for our major communities when it's fire season. So I'm just colouring it in, as you can see. I'm just finishing off with a blending tool just to make sure that it goes in nice and smoothly. As I said, I'm colouring in the rest of that one with a very, very pale grey. I just want it to have that tinge to it. And I like how this has turned out. Now I will go off screen in a moment. I'm just adding in a bit of the green to reflect the colours of the RFS. I did go off screen and fussy cut those out. I didn't need to see watch doing that. And now I'm preparing the base. Now, funny enough, as I'm doing this layout for my son, as I said, he walks in from coming back from the fire station tonight, and he'd been presented with another award tonight. So he's got another award. I said, mate, did you know you were getting it? He had no idea he was getting it. He got a Community Hero Award. So he got nominated and got a Community Hero Award, which is fantastic. To him, it was just another award. He goes, what do I want an award for, Mum? He doesn't do it for the awards and the accolades. He does it because out of pure love. He just loves doing it. So more photos, more layouts coming up in the future of that one. So I'm just choosing these papers here. As you can see, I've got a brick ball one, which is a Kaiser Craft paper. I have got these other papers, which are 2, and I've used the double-sided, the dotted side and the red side, as you can see there. And I'm creating a pocket because I want to keep that awards ceremony brochure program with these photo because unfortunately the night, I can't believe it, I was waiting for that medal presentation. He was only allowed, because it was during COVID times, he was only allowed to take 2 people. So my husband and I were supposed to go and see him get that medal, and then I got COVID and I wasn't allowed to go. I was devastated, as you can imagine. I could not go. I wasn't allowed. I was in quarantine. So my daughter and my husband went. So I was a bit devastated in that respect because I so wanted to be at that ceremony. But unfortunately, I never got to go. But I have the photo, and he has the medal, and that's all that really matters. So I am creating this pocket where I've done the seal around the three quarters of it, and that will leave it there to put the program into. I'm going to put these strips across because they will be the landing strips for my embellishments, or the cutout stamps that I'm going to include on this layout, plus the title. And I have a little phrase that I'm going to put on there as well, and it's made in vellum, and it says, what does it say? It says, "Thanks for everything you do. It means more than you know." And that's for all of those firefighters. They do so much, and they just do it because that's what they do. And it means so much to so many people, all of the things that they volunteer and give up their time to do. Thankfully for my son, he works in a work environment that appreciates the RFS and allows them to take time out. My son saves all his holidays and all his RDOs for that purpose only, to go and fight fires during the fire season. So he's always disappearing interstate to fight fires. So as you can see, I've just put the helmet to the top right. I've put this rope, the hose down the bottom right, and I put the hydrant and extinguisher over to the left. I put that little vellum phrase down the bottom, as I said, and I'm going to use brads to adhere it, but I have put it through the Xyron sticker maker so that it will stick and you can't see it. I'm going to put the brads there just for that extra added touch to hold it in place. I have put 2 arrows up there because to point my son out in the photo, because he's who I'm celebrating. His captain is the one down on the left in the white shirt to the left. And thankfully for his captain, he saw something in him and has pushed him and encouraged him. He's remote area firefighter trained. He's air firefighter trained, where he comes right. So he gets dropped out of helicopters. So he's done quite a lot with the RFS, and he's now in the process of training as a crew leader and an officer. So yeah, big things are coming his way. So I'm putting the program in there like I told you that I was going to do, and now that's a little pocket, and that's now safe forever, and it stays with the photo, and it will always have a place in the album where it's not going to be damaged. I'm just finishing off now with some pops of colour, as you can see, to create those that visual triangle. I really love these stamps. Look how fantastic they look on that layout. I can't wait. I'm going to be able to use those for so many things, and I just love the overall effect. It's very, very good. Great quality stamps. Print out beautifully. Thanks, ALtenew. They are amazing. And I'm just putting in those last bits of Nuvo for the corners, just to put the 4 corners together. And there's my layout. As I said, up on the Paper Funday Challenge blog, please come along and play with us. Lots of cards. Everybody makes cards, and they all end up on that. I'd love to see some more scrapbook layouts being done every month. So come and join me. Come over to the Paper Funday Challenge blog. I will put all the details down below. You know, you may be a guest designer. Who knows? Let's get some layouts up there this month. It'll be really awesome, especially with the ALtenew stamps. You've all got them. So thanks everybody for watching. I really do appreciate the time you give up. If you haven't hit the subscription button, and I know there's some of you out there because I always get viewers from unsubscribe, hit it now so that you know the next time I put up some content. And don't forget to give me the thumbs up because YouTube loves the thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Happy scrapping till next time. And here's my next video for you. See you there soon.